Hi, welcome once again to Talk Jamaican, where I teach you to speak Jamaican patois. Remember to get your copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com and subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, okay? And soon you will be able to chat like me. Now remember, I do a commentary in patois, Jamaican patois, and then I give you an overview in English about what I said. So hold on, we will soon return. Lad, the day them hatty, but me now go make that stop me from me no learn to chat like a man. Nah man, remember say, what me do, me chat in a patois, then after that, me tell you in a English what me say. So you not go last. Anyway, me want to chat to you about Jamaica history and we culture. Cause enough of the people don't know we history and culture, especially young people then. Them no know say sometimes we never write down all the history. But we put in our music, folk music and mental music and all them thing there. Yeah man, all them thing there you can find out about Jamaica. Now, me hear some young people I try change up one away folk song. Wait name, Sammy Dead.
Da 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 da. Yeah. Sammy plan piece of condom a gully.
Them I try change it to say, Sammy plant peas and corn down a gully, and he bear till he kill poor Sammy. But I know so the song say. The song say, Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully, and he bear till he kill poor Sammy. Now you have to understand the history, you know. You know them the day when then the wicked man let go the slave. The slave them no have no land, you know, they no have no money, if them no plant or like or something, then they'd fry hungry. But then on the land, so them have to go back at the same old slave man them and go see if we rent them or lease them piece of land. So they lease piece of land from the slave master and then go down the road and go plant piece of corn or piece of cane or piece of yam or piece of something pan it. For him little something, a piece of something in plant there, you know. The big slave man, him for him something named plantation. So he had cane plantation, he had banana plantation, and when he plant tree, he call it walk. So you have mango walk, and you have coconut walk, and you have citrus walk. But the slave man, him only plant piece of pumpkin, piece of yam, piece of banana, pan the piece of land when he get from the slave master. You understand? I saw this song, I say, you know, and them the people who I try say appease and can implant. No no say that in a full language. If you did plant peace and can, peace and can, the song would have say, and them kill poor Sammy. Cause when I'm one something in a patois at them, but the song say, Sammy plant peace and can down a gully. And he bear till he kill poor Sammy. You know, say them bear a piece of corn in plant, and no peas and corn. No make nobody fool you. And the man who tell me about it and confirm say so, in name Colin Smith, and him did there with some other people we start Jamaica folk singers. You ever hear about Olive Louis? Nobody know folk music and history like she. And him study with her and him did there when Jamaica folk singers start. Don't make nobody fool you and fast with culture. In the previous section, I was commenting on an attempt by some young people to change the words of our music or of one of our folk songs, because it's important that they do not succeed in doing so, because all folk songs reflect our history. This particular one is called Sammy Dead, and in it the words are, Sammy planted a piece of corn in the gully and it bore till it killed poor Sammy. Now, the modern people would like to change it to say, Sammy planted peas and corn in the gully, and it bore until it killed poor Sammy. But that is impossible because the plural of it is them in Jamaican parlance, D-E-M, them. So if it's peas and corn, it would be them bear till them kill poor Sammy. Number one. Number two, The, this song reflects what happened to the slaves after slavery was abolished. They had no money, they had no jobs, they had no land, but they had to survive and just to plant something so they would have food to eat. They would have to go back to the slave master and try and rent a small piece of land. And when they got a little piece of land, they would plant piece of corn, piece of yam, piece of pumpkin, piece of peas. They didn't plant in plantations like the big landowner. When the slave master planted his crops, it became a cane plantation, a sugar plantation, a banana plantation, and if he planted 3 crops, it was a mango walk or a citrus walk or a pear walk. Their huge holdings were walks and plantations, but the slave's little piece of land on which he planted a piece of crop was peace, P-I-E-C-E. Don't listen to modern day revisionists. It is important that we understand our culture. Have a wonderful day.
Me plant piece of corn down a gully, and me beer till me kill poor Sammy. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh. Sammy dead, Sammy dead, Sammy dead, oh. And no thief, Sammy thief, make them